Hey, we're drawing a bunch of pictures today. Just letting you know ahead of time. Alright, so we're going to do multiplying decimals by decimals. We looked at some base 10 versions of these last time. I guess it was Monday. And today we're going to take a look at some area models of decimal times decimal. When we have larger pieces. So maybe like whole numbers and decimals included. Let me flip another page because that page is kind of messy. All right, so study the following image. Take a look at it. So this is 2 times 4, 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 holes, 1, 2. So we have 2 holes times 4 holes. If you count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 holes in total. Oops. So this is an array of 2 holes times 4 holes, and that makes... I just realized my microphone was sitting over there. Hopefully you could hear. All right, so this is 2 holes, this is 4 holes, and there are 8 holes in total. All right, so moving on. Make an array. 2 and 2/10 times 3 and 4/10. So remember, always algorithm always works. Let's make sure that we're going to find the correct answer. Let's use the algorithm to find our answer first. So 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Second line, ones place, 0. All right, and then 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. So if we add that all up, we have 748, but we have 2 decimal places in our problem, so we need 2 decimal places in our product. All right, so 2 and 2/10 times 3 and 4/10 is 7 and 48/100. Now, this is pretty easy to see with the algorithm. It you know it works because the algorithm always works. But let's actually take a look at this as a picture. All right, so what they're showing you right here is we're drawing both of these numbers. So first, let's draw 2 and 2/10. So there's 1 hole, 2 holes, and then 2/10 right there. All right. And then using the same 1 hole for the 1, I'm also going to, let me label this. There's 2 and 2/10. Then up here I want to make 3 and 4/10. So there's my original 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4/10. All right. So now I've made my 2 numbers just like I would have with a regular array, except for now I'm using these as whole numbers and these as tenths. So here's what you're going to do. You're basically going to make this a rectangle by filling in the pieces. All right. So as you can see, first off, I filled in my holes. All right. And then I'm going to fill in my tenths. All right, so I'm looking at 2 and 2/10, 2 and 2/10, 2 and 2/10. There's 3 groups of 2 and 2 and 2/10. Now I'm making the 4/10 groups of 2 and 2/10. So I'm also going to use hundredths. All right, so if you look at that, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. 6 holes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14/10. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hundredths. So if I wrote this out, that'd be 6 holes. 14/10 is 1 and 4/10. And then 8 hundredths would look like that. So if I make the emoji zeros and I add it all together, 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 4 plus 0 is